Hi friends, welcome to Pradipti Collections. So today you are seeing a pure Sinon saree andi. So this is the saree and saree throughout the saree ila scallop border vachesi beads work ochindi annamata, mottham pipes work ochindi silver color toti. So ila aithe untundi annamata. Saree all over ila meer chustunnatte telustundi kada itla border ochindi and this is the scallop border. And blouse aithe nenu other saree blouse tho pair up chesanu, but this is having a designer blouse. So yeah, this is for the neck part. Neck ki ila design chesi vachindandi, idantha thread work and chunky work and pipe works tho beads work tho vachindi annamata. And hands kosam aithe ila icharu. So hands kosamu hands ki border and small booties laga ila icharu annamata. So ee sarees aithe hand stock lo unnayandi, multiple colors lo aithe available unnayi. Other colors kosam meer na page ni aithe visit cheyochu annamata. So yeah, please do subscribe and follow to my channel Pradipti Collections. Thank you.